Introducing Tecnovant, a game-changer in precision agriculture. We integrate satellite and drone monitoring, nanofertilization, and drone spraying to boost productivity, reduce costs, and improve sustainability. Traditional farming methods often lead to wasted resources, soil degradation, and low yields. But with data-driven solutions, we can transform these challenges into opportunities. At Tecnovant, we provide satellite and drone monitoring, real-time data for smarter farming decisions, nanofertilization, advanced absorption for healthier crops, even in tough conditions, drone spraying, reducing costs, minimizing waste, and cutting water usage by 90%, drone maintenance services, keeping agricultural technology in peak performance. With over 170,000 hectares of farmland, the agricultural sector in Colombia is ready for transformation. From potato and avocado farms to dairy pastures and rice fields, Tecnovant delivers efficiency, sustainability, and higher yields. Our solutions drive economic growth, protect the environment, and empower the next generation of farmers. Join us in revolutionizing agriculture. Tecnovant. The future of farming is here.